Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. Today I start the question paper solution of HS First Year Final Examination 2022 subject English topic Grammar. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ত প্ৰস্তুতিৰ একেবাৰে শেষ মুহূৰ্তত মই তোমালোকৰ আগত তোমালোকৰ অহা HS First Year Final Examinationৰ প্ৰস্তুতি হকে 2022 বৰ্ষৰ HS ফাইনাল এক্সামিনেশনৰ ইংলিশৰ গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ সমাধান লগতে আৰু কেইটামান অতি দৰকাৰী গ্ৰামাৰ সলিউশন সহ এই ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিম আশা কৰিম এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ বিষয়বস্তুখিনি তোমালোকক অহা পৰীক্ষাত সহায় কৰিব দেখা তোমালোকৰ কোশ্চেন পেপাৰত 90 মাৰ্ক থাকিব আৰু 10 মাৰ্কস ইন্টাৰনাল অ্যাসেসমেন্টত থাকে বা প্ৰজেক্ট ওয়াৰ্কৰ নিচিনা তাতে থাকে দেখা কেনেকুৱা সিস্টেমত পৰীক্ষাৰ প্ৰশ্ন হ'ব তোমালোকে এখিনি ঠিক এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ পৰীক্ষাৰ প্ৰশ্ন তোমালোকৰ অহা পৰীক্ষাত আহিব দেখা এতিয়া মই তোমালোকৰ আগত গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনটো লৈ আইছো দেখা গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনৰ তোমালোকৰ প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্ন থাকিব fill in the blanks with suitable determinants any to দেখা do you have dash complaint against me do you question mark দিছে গতিকে এটো any হ'ব any complaint all the boys went to beach but only dash could swim but a few could swim 3 dash rich cannot buy happy without their money a rich cannot buy happiness without their money 4 number dash his friends deserted him at the hour of need it hobo all his friends deserted him at the hour of need next tumaloke soa rewrite any two of the following sentences with the correct form of the verb given in brackets one ot ase we dash go to school at 9 o'clock every day ase gotike eto present tense hobo present indefinite tense গতিকে যেহেতু উইল লগত মেইন ভার্বে থাকিব জাস্ট ইউ রিমুভ দা ব্র্যাকেট উই গো টু স্কুল এট 9 o'clock এভরি ডে আই উইশ আই ড্যাশ বি এ কিং আই উইশৰ পিছত যদি বি থাকে হেতু অয়াৰ হয় আই উইশ আই অয়াৰ এ কিং ইট ৰেইন সিন্স মর্নিং এটো প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সত আছে ইট হ্যাজ বিন রেইনিং সিন্স মর্নিং দে ড্যাশ send my books by next week eto future tense ot ase gotike they will send my books by next week now come to question number c number question ot dekha fill in the blanks with appropriate model auxiliaries iyate model auxiliary bilak bahabo dise he dash pay his dues before he can be allowed to sit at the examination he must be paid eto compulsion dise compulsion dile godike tumaloke must bahaba to he dash listen to what his parents say eto moral duty dite godike ki hobo he should listen to what his parents say now come to correct the following 1 he is senior than me eto senior or pisot tumaloke to bahabo lagibo he is senior to me number 2 neither Ram nor Rahim are present in the meeting eto hobo ki neither Ram nor Rahim eto are no hoy eto is hobo is present in the meeting now come to question number 7 question number 7 ot koa hoise a number dise complete the following pitch of conversation by choosing the correct alternatives from the brackets I said to her dash how or when are you she replied I am fine it is nice to see you dash return or come or back in our village yate ki hobo dekha I said to her how are you I said to her how are you she replied, I am fine. It's nice to see you back in our village. Now come to B number. B number there say rearrange the words in the following to form meaningful sentences. Any two. In the class, one of the tallest girls she is. She is one of the tallest girls in the class. She is one of the tallest girl in the class. Okay. Next, a day an apple away the doctor away. A doctor keeps an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a proverb. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now 3. A river is Ganga holy. Ganga is a holy river. Tiger I seen never have. I have never seen a tiger. Okay. Now come to question number 8. Rewrite the following sentences as directed. Any two. Dekha, no other boy in the class is as tall as he. Change it into comparative degree. Tumalokoro degree ata have comparative degree boli koise. He is taller than any other boy in the class. He is taller than any other boy in the class. On seeing the lion, he ran away. Compound sentence. He ran away when he saw the lion. Tarpisot, I know where he lives. I know his address. Next, he could not come to school due to his illness. Change it into complex sentence. He could not come to school due to his illness. Ito complex sentence. He could not attend or come his school because of his illness. So because of his illness. So এইখানে আসলে এই ভিডিওর এই কোশ্চিনৰ বিষয়বস্তু। এতিয়া তোমালোকক মই কোশ্চিন পেপাৰখন দেখাই দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ। কোশ্চিন পেপাৰৰ সলিউশনখিনি দেখাই দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ। দেখা তোমালোকে 6B okay এতিয়া মই তোমালোকৰ আগত আৰু কেইটামান অতি দৰকাৰী গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনৰ পৰা আলোচনা কৰিম। প্ৰথমতে ডিটাৰমিনেন্টস লৈছো 1a শ্ৰীলংকা ইজ ড্যাশ আইল্যান্ড and শ্ৰীলংকা ইজ an island ওকে শ্ৰীলংকা ইজ an island হ'ব। তাৰ পিছত ডু ইউ হ্যাভ ড্যাশ কমপ্লেইন এগেইনস্ট দা অথৰিটি ডু ইউ have any complaint about. He had dash time to spare as he was a hurry. Little a little the little this gotike eta hobo little hobo. There is dash university in Dibrugarh. There is a university in Guwahati. Next he received dash help from the teacher many much more much help hobo. Now come to correct tense. দেখা ক্রিকেট প্লে only a few countries. এটো কি হবো প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সতে ব্যবহার হবো বাট ইট ইজ ইন পেসিভ ফর্ম। ক্রিকেট ইজ প্লেড only a few countries. She be absent for a month. She was or she has been absent for a month. He acted as if he be Amitabh. ইয়াতে as if আছে গতিকে বিটা were হ'ব। He acted as if he were Amitabh. It is time the accident take place. It is time থাকলে এটো past indefinite যাব to it is time the accident took place. He went out after he locked the door. Went out after he had locked the door. Then তোমালকে আরো এটা সহ he has arrived from Kolkata. Sentence correction yesterday. He has arrived না হবে he arrived হবে he arrived past indefinite হবে from Kolkata yesterday. He preferred tea than coffee. এটা than to উঠে যায় to হবে. The house is full of furnitures. Furnitures no hoy furniture. The house is full of furniture. Ete rearrange eta is health is physical for good exercise. Physical exercise is good for health. Tarpisot wins steady and solo race. The steady and solo race wins the race. Steady and solo wins the race. Star our last second wheel September unit from 23rd. Our second unit test will start from 23rd September. So my dear student, এইখিনি আসলে আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ বিষয়বস্তু আশা কৰিছোঁ আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ বিষয়বস্তুখিনি তোমালোকক অহা পৰীক্ষাত সহায় কৰিব। Thank you so much.